Hey, what's up everybody? It's Public Gaming here, and today we'll be playing Airplane. It's just regular airplane. Let's see what kind we can be. Dang it. What about this one? Gosh. What this one? Okay, let's fly for 919 miles for 74 coins. I call coins dollars, but I'm going to call them coins. Oh my gosh. Work. Slowest game ever, guys. No, it's not. I take back what I said. Oh. According to my calculations of this plane, we're going this way. I think it's that little island. That small little boring one, why not the big one? Woo! Oh no. Don't you do it to me. Don't you do that to me. Do that to you. No, no, no. Oh my god. Wow. No, we're not dying yet. I just about went in the water. I want to raise up a little bit. That scares me. Start to slow this bad boy down. Oh no, first person view is not any better. Down, down. Oh my gosh, I suck at this. Oh, I'm making a loop. Yes. We did it. 37 coins. Oh, so every time you auto land, like it gives you half the coins. We have 37 coins, guys. Let's do the red one, because it looks awesome. Let's go big. It's taking its time. No, 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 no. What? 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 That was not fair. Spawned me the wrong way. I want storm. 200,000 coins, are you serious? What? Oh my gosh, we're saving our money, guys. Serious. If we do like 5 episodes out of this, it's gonna become a series. $131. We can afford 8 passengers. Oh, I want a cargo. Those things give you a lot. Hello. Oh, here we go. Start off slow. Keep getting faster until we hit it. The limit. Now. Okay, this way. Just gonna fly straight to, right there. Stop. Oh, and one of my friends from church is letting me get this little computer game where you can use a remote. I'm probably gonna buy a remote because it would be easier for that, or I might just use the keyboard. I might just use the keyboard because I don't have to buy anything. And once you first put in the disc for the simulator game, it's called like Airplane Simulator, it downloads automatically, and then like it's gonna, so when I first put it in there, it's gonna download. It'll take me like, he said it would take like an hour or 20 minutes. And then like just use that, and then whenever it downloads, you never have to put the disc back in. So that's pretty cool. And the cool thing about it is it's not really a simulator game, it's like really a world game. Because you get to go anywhere in the world you want, and you get to see like where you're like flying over. So that's pretty cool. Okay, once it reaches 200, we're going to slow this thing down. Just waiting for now. We go all the way this way. This way. It's gonna be hard to land it. Suggest some other games for Pocket Edition or PC or PS4, PS3, Xbox. No, we're not auto landing, guys. That's not how we roll. We did the first time. That's how we rolled the first time, but no, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Pull up a little bit. Pull up, pull up, pull up. We should have just auto landed. For now on, we're auto landing. One more round, guys. One more round. No. Hello. We're gonna go for the big one. Sorry about that. Sinuses have been bothering me a little bit, as y'all can probably tell in my other videos. My vids. Yep. Start off fast. We're already starting to pull up, guys. Pulling up as soon as possible. Like right now. No, 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 no. Wow, shit. I bet it's a big one right there. Well, we're sitting here for the next hour. Better do some tricks. Tricks. This is boring. I had to go for the long one. Because I'm dirty. Looks like in first person. Dang it, I didn't want to do that. Well, that's that. Like, comment, subscribe for more. And as always, I will see you guys when I see you guys.